Hello everyone, myself Professor S.S.KORE, lecturer in computer department. So I am here to teach you the subject called computer graphics, and the course code for the computer graphics is 22318. Okay, so first of all we will see the teaching and examination scheme for computer graphics subject. Here you can see for this subject there is one part of theory and another part is practical. In the theory, the 70 marks are for end semester examination, means the paper which is set by MSBT. Okay, so it is of 70 marks. Then for passing you must get 28 marks out of 70. Then in the PA progressive assessment of theory part, it is for 30 marks, and the 30 marks are divided into 20 plus 10. So 20 marks are for test. So in the semester we are conducting 2 unit tests. First test is for 20 marks and another unit test 2 is for 20 marks. After completion of 50% syllabus we are conducting first unit test, that is unit test 1 for 20 marks, and again after the 100% syllabus we are conducting unit test 2, okay, for remaining 50% syllabus. So average of both these tests, that is 20. Then 10 marks are for micro project. We are giving or we are assigning some micro projects in the group. For second year you must form group of 3 students, and the marks for micro project are 10. So this is 30 marks. 70 plus 30, that is 100. You must get 40 marks for passing. Then we will see practical part. So in that end semester exam, ESC for practical is for 25 marks. Okay, similarly like theory ESC, there is a practical ESC end semester examination for 25 marks. Then for PA, that is progressive assessment of practical, in that we are performing different practical and you are completing the practicals experiments in the manual. So for that total marks are 25. Okay, so total this subject is for 150 marks. This subject is for 150 marks. Then moving ahead, we will, in this subject there are 5 units. We will see one by one. Before that we will see first the definition of computer graphics, or what is meant by computer graphics. So it is basically a branch of computer science, and using a programming language or using some functions we are creating or developing different lines, charts, images, etc. So this is nothing but a computer graphics. So we have to use different functions. They may called as a graphics function. and using that we are generating different charts or shapes or images. Okay, and this is called as a computer graphics. Then we will see the units covered in this subject. There are 5 units. First unit is basics of computer graphics. It is for 8 mark. Then unit 2 raster scan graphics for 18 marks. Unit 3 overview of transformation for 18 mark. Unit 4 windowing and clipping for 14 mark, and unit 5 introduction to curve for 12. Then we will see what we have exactly we will see in this unit. We will see some important points of every unit. In the first topic, that is unit 1, basics of computer graphics, we will see the different terminologies or basic concepts required for studying computer graphics subject. Then we will see the different applications of computer graphics, where the computer graphics is used in various sectors. So we will see the applications of computer graphics. Then in the latter part of the first unit, we will see the different display devices which are used in the computer graphics, like LED, LCD, CRT, plasma. So there are different display devices are present. So we will see in the latter part of this unit. So this is the first unit, that is the basics of computer graphics. It will ask for 8 marks in the arithmetic examination. Then second unit is unit 2, raster scan graphics. It is for 18 marks. In this unit we will see the different algorithms for generating line, circle, polygon, etc. So in this unit we will see the different algorithms required to draw line, circle, polygon, or also we will see the different algorithm used to fill the polygon in this unit 2, that is raster scan graphics. Then next is unit 3, overview of transformation. So this will be asked for 18 marks. In this unit we will see the different transformation techniques, that is translation, scaling, rotation, shearing. So every object must, or it is scaled or translated or rotated depending upon the requirement of the user. So for translating or for performing different these operations, we will see some 2D as well as 3D matrix and the formulas for performing these operations in this unit 3. And basically we must know the basics of the matrix manipulation. All of you know the matrix. We have already studied the matrix concept in the mathematics subject. So for unit 3 we must have the basic knowledge how to multiply the two matrix, or we must know the basics of matrix multiplication. And using the matrix multiplication we are calculating or deriving the points, the new coordinate of the scaling, rotation or scale. Then unit 4 is windowing and clipping. It will be asked for 14 marks. In this windowing and clipping we are studying some different algorithms for removing an unwanted portion of the object or of the image. we are removing the unwanted portion of the image or the object, and for that we are using some different again algorithms. Okay, so in that topic we will see that algorithms. Then the last unit is introduction to curves. In this again we will see the different curves like Hilbert curve, then Bezier curve, B-spline curve, etc. So again we will see some examples based on these graphs. Okay, so this is a overview of the subject computer graphics. In this graphics subject, the main we will see the different, in every topic we are studying the different algorithms, and using that algorithms we also see some examples. Okay, so in the exam there may be asked some theory part, as well as they may ask algorithms, they may ask some mathematical problems also. For solving mathematical problems you must first clear the theoretical part of every algorithm, then you must know or you must understood the algorithm, then you can easily solve the whatever the problems asked on that algorithm. Okay, and in the practical session we will see the implementation of that algorithm. Okay, so in every unit from unit 2 to unit 5 there are some algorithms, and for that algorithms we are implementing the programs, and the programs are written in the C language, as we have studied in the last semester C programming subject. Okay, using Turbo C compiler. Similarly we are performing the practical on the Turbo C compiler. So this is the overview of these 5 units. Then first today we will see some part of unit 1, that is basics of computer graphics. It is asked for 8 marks. In this unit 1, now we will see some basic terminologies used in the computer graphics. First is object. So what do you mean by object? So object म्हणजे काय बघा. So object is nothing but a real world entities. Object is nothing but a real world entities. It may be tree, it may be flower, it may be mountain. Okay, so any real world entities, it is called as an object. Or also it can be some electronics devices, stationery like notebook, pen. Okay, any human created anything. Okay, so this is all is called as an object. Okay, so any real world entities is called as an object. Then it must require 3-dimensional coordination or 3D coordinate for representation of object. In the computer graphics you must require 3D coordinate. Then we will see the image. Next terminology or definition is image. What is meant by image? So it is a nothing but it is a representation of real world entity on the any display devices. Representation of real world entity on any display devices is called as an image. बरोबर आहे का? म्हणजे जे आपण एखादी वस्तू, डोंगर असेल, फूल असेल, मोबाईल असेल, नोटबुक असेल, पेन असेल, so these are real world entity, but it is displayed on the any display devices. For example, mobile, on camera, on a computer. Okay, these are the display devices. Then that real world entity is converted into the image. बरोबर आहे का? म्हणजे जे रिअल वर्ल्ड एंटिटी जी आहे त्याचा आपण फोटो, त्याचा आपण पिक्चर जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या मोबाईलवर बघत असतो किंवा कॉम्प्युटरवर बघतो किंवा एनी डिस्प्ले डिव्हाइसेसवर बघतो तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? त्याला आपण इमेज असं म्हणतो. लक्षात येते का बघा? सो इमेज इज नथिंग बट रिप्रेझेंटेशन ऑफ रिअल वर्ल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट onto any display device. It is called as an image. Okay, so we have seen object, then we have seen image. Then next definition or terminology is pixel. So pixel is nothing but any image is composed of thousands of small dots. Okay, so these small dots are nothing but pixel. Okay, this small dot is nothing but pixel. Then in another word, pixel may be called as, it is a smallest addressable unit of an image, is also called as a pixel. Okay, you can write any definition for the pixel. Okay, and these definitions may ask for 2 marks in your theory paper. Okay, pixel, and pixel is also called as a picture element. It is also called as a picture element. Okay, then next definition is resolution. Next is resolution. So we have seen what is meant by pixel. Okay, we are generally calling or we have known this term pixel. We have used this term in our today life, like camera is of 64 megapixel, camera is of 49 megapixel. Okay, we are using this term in our day-to-day life. Similarly, what is meant by resolution then? So resolution is nothing but total number of count of pixel. It is resolution is total number of count of pixel. Means any image is made up of small dots or small pixels. Okay, so that is total number of count of pixel is nothing but a resolution. Means any image is made up of large number of pixels, then that clarity of that image will be better, or that the resolution of that image is we are calling as high. Okay, and when the image is made up of small pixels, okay, then we are calling the resolution of image is less. Okay, or clarity is less. Okay, so any image is made up of pixels, and the pixels are arranged in the row and column format. So if the image is made up of m rows and n columns, if image is made up of m rows and n columns, then what will be the resolution? So it will be calculated by using the formula m star n. It will be calculated using the formula m star n, म्हणजे m into n. एखाद्या इमेज मध्ये m रोज आहेत आणि n कॉलम आहेत, तर m आणि n यांचा गुणाकार म्हणजेच काय आहे? रिझोल्यूशन आहे. ओके, सो these are the basic terminology. Then moving ahead, next part, that is types of display mode. Next part काय बघा? Types of display mode. तर याचे दोन टाइप्स आहेत. There are two types of display mode. First is text mode. It is also called as character mode, and other is a graphics mode. Text mode म्हणजे काय बघा? Text mode म्हणजे नावाप्रमाणेच it is used to display only character. It is used to only display only character. Then in this, screen is divided into number of rows and columns. The screen is divided into number of rows and columns of boxes like this. Here you can see the diagram of text mode, and this screen is divided into 25 rows and 80 columns. The screen is divided into 25 rows and 80 columns. The example of the text mode is when we are starting our operating system in the DOS mode. In the DOS mode, then that will be, or that is an example of text mode. Okay, and other is a graphics mode. Other is a graphics mode. As name suggests, in this mode we are, or it is used to create different shapes or different fonts, okay, or different images in the graphics mode. When our operating system is start in a Windows mode, okay, so it will be the example of graphics mode. Okay, so there are two types, text mode and graphics mode. In the graphics mode, screen is divided into array of pixels. म्हणजे स्क्रीन ही कशाच्या फॉर्म मध्ये डिवाइड केली जाते, पिक्सेलच्या फॉर्म मध्ये स्क्रीन ही डिवाइड केलेली जाते. ओके, सो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, ग्राफिक्स मोड. देन अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन मे बी asked in your exam. Write the display mode or explain the display modes. Okay, so today we will stop here. What we have studied up to now, we have seen the different units. These are 5 units covered in this computer graphics. Then we have also previous that we have seen the teaching and examination scheme for this subject. Then we have seen what are the basic terminologies used in the computer graphics subject, that is object, image, pixel, resolution, and finally we have seen the different display mode, that is text mode and graphics.